Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to quickly lock or freeze the first row in a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. So by the end of this video, you should be able to scroll a long data set without having this first row right here move while you are scrolling. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Have you ever had this happen to you when you're scrolling down on your data in Microsoft Excel and you can't remember any of your headers at the top? And what you would really like is to be able to scroll through your data but still retain these headers. That's called freezing panes in Microsoft Excel. And it's a really quick setting. If I go up here to view and I go over here to freeze panes and I click this option right here that says freeze top row, a line will appear right here to let you know that the top row will be frozen. And now when I scroll through my data, I am going further and further down in my rows, but my first row with my column headers is staying locked at the top of the screen. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Now that's the simple way to freeze some of the rows on your screen in Microsoft Excel. We actually have a couple other examples of how you can freeze panes like this out on our blog, and I will include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to visit there for more information. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.